everyone, welcome to Upshift Unlimited. It is a beautiful hot day in Rhode Island. I'm glad you're all here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today is a very special video. As I said, I'm glad you're here. We are going to be talking about the beautiful redone front end on the Celica. So this car is looking fantastic. Super quick update before we get to the meat of this video. I start work finally tomorrow, so that'll be a nice solid income for me, and I'll be able to hopefully do a bunch of cool stuff with this car for all of you guys and myself, obviously. So hopefully that'll be nice. I'm working, as I said a couple videos ago, as a validation engineer, real close, quick commute, living at home, which has its pros and cons, but living at home to save up money and then get my own place and maybe upgrade this car even further down the road or get something new also down the road. So lots of cool things coming in the future, so definitely keep an eye open for that. So that's about it for the quick little update. Now on to the meat of this video. So as you guys who are following me on Instagram, link is down below in the description. As you guys have seen on that, that's pretty much where I post most of my stuff early on, and then it sort of comes to YouTube after Instagram. So go check that out if you haven't already, if you want to get an early look at everything I'm pretty much doing with this car. So in the last video, I showed off all the new parts that I bought, and after that video went live, I kind of realized that I needed a couple more parts. So what I did was I bought the crash bar, the little impact bar that was all mangled up in the crash that I got into. So I bought that impact bar for real cheap. I don't know if it's like a real part or not, but it fits, so I used that. I also got another upper grill instead of that oversprayed, gross, terrible one that I initially showed off in the video, the one with all those issues that I sort of halfway fixed. I got a new one of those anyway. Brand new, stock from Toyota, brand, awesome looking, shiny, chrome, whatever. So that part is also new, and that is awesome looking. The car looks beautiful, so I'm heading to a park right now where I can show you guys appropriately how nice this front end looks. The shop did an incredible job. So let's head to the park and go check out this awesome, awesome front end. Alright, are you guys ready for this? I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Alright, check this out. Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks so good. Look at this blue. I mean, that's original. I don't care about that. But look at this hood. Oh, so the hood's new. The front bumper's new. The front logo here, brand new. It's still got some of the little polishing compound stuff on it. Oh my god. And then it's got the new front lip too. So that was another part that I bought after. So in that last video, I showed off the new hood, the new front bumper, the new logo, and the plate frame, which I didn't really show you guys in the video. But after that, I bought, as I said, the separate new logo says brand new, and then when I went to the shop, they were like, oh, it's got a big crack in it, like right around there. There's a big crack in this lower piece. And so I gave them the go-ahead to just get this new piece and just call it a day, paint it brand new. So everything looks fantastic. They obviously put the little side markers in, but the color matches perfectly. I don't know if the video is going to show it off, but the color between the old fender and the brand new bumper matches like so well. It's crazy. This hood is flawless. It's a little dirty right now, but I have washed it since I got it back. I got it back just a little bit ago, but it looks fantastic. I am so excited. They even cleaned one of the wheels. I'm not sure why, but they like scrubbed this wheel, and that was like, wow, it looked really good. So I went and cleaned the rest of the wheels. This is still kind of bad right here. This has always been bad. Hopefully down the road, I'd love to get new doors for this thing, because that would just be awesome if I were to get new doors and to get those things painted to match the brand new front end. That would be incredible. So I made a video ages ago about this big dent right here. I don't know if it's gonna show up in the video too well, but that video I will tag up in the corner here of the video. essentially I just made a nice big hole in the rear quarter panel over here. So I actually fixed that. I took this magic tool. So what this is just literally a dowel with 2 nails poked in, and then I put hot glue on this end, and then I stuck it right onto the car and then let it harden for a few minutes and just sucked it, just pulled the thing right out, and it really pulled the dent out. I had to do it a couple times, so there's like a bunch of little dents kind of where it was, but essentially it looks so much better than it did. I tried to hit some of these other dents, like there's kind of a little one right there, and there's kind of one on the fender here. I tried to suck those up, but those wouldn't really suck out. If I'm sweating, guys, it's because it's like 1,000 degrees out, but what are you gonna do? But anyway, this car is looking so good right now. I'm really loving it right now. You know, those taillights look fantastic. The spoiler kind of has some little sun damage. I don't know if it's coming out in the video. There it goes. I'm gonna try to hit up the junkyard and get new doors for this thing, and hopefully those won't have any of like the rust in the bottom. There's rust here. There's the little spot right here. They actually painted over this. The body shop. This is bad rust, pretty bad. But the body shop kind of painted over that, and it's not gonna last. Obviously, it's still gonna be bad. But if I can get new doors that all these little tiny dents all over and the rust on the bottom, that'd be so cool. If those things painted dark blue like the rest of this car, this thing would look awesome. So hopefully down the road I can do that. That would be so cool. But just take a look at this, guys. This car looks so good. It's you know, it's a 2000. It's 18 years old, but it really, the front end really makes a difference. So there's no front plate here, which I would love to keep as is, obviously. But per Rhode Island law, I need a front plate, and I've already been pulled over for not having a front plate once. So ideally, not doing that again would be, you know, the best case. So once the front plate, actually I'll show you guys. So the front plate now, since that accident, is like destroyed. The whole top of it is horribly mangled. It was way worse than this before, but we sort of like kind of banged it out as best we could, but it's still pretty bad, obviously. So I don't want to put this awful mangled front plate on this amazing, beautiful front end. So I'm just gonna wait until I can get a new plate from the DMV. Everyone hates the DMV, that godforsaken DMV. So I'm gonna wait until I get that. And then here's the plate frame that I showed off in one of those videos. And then all these, you know, mounting hardware stuff to keep this from really damaging the bumper. So obviously I'm gonna have to drill 2 holes, which sucks, into the bumper. So you've got these 2 holes, well, 4 holes, I guess, on the bumper, where all the parts or the screws are kind of designed to go. So I'm only gonna drill 2 of them, the outside 2 for this thing. So it's gonna be, you know, 1 on each side. And then this frame is just gonna go, I'm gonna put these nuts and bolts and washers and stuff behind this so it doesn't damage the actual bumper, but it's still kind of mounted to the plate frame and to the car. So it's gonna look awesome when I'm all said and done. It's gonna look, you know, not as good as it would without any plate, but kind of have to have a plate because I've already been pulled over once and really don't want that to happen again. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, go do that. Get the front end in the frame. If you guys have not done that, go follow me on Instagram. Link is down below. I'll put it up on the screen as well. That's where I post pretty much, as I said, all the new stuff before I kind of bring it all to YouTube and kind of show you guys what's up in video form. So it's in picture form there, and obviously video form here on YouTube. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go follow me there, as I said. Make sure to like, share this video if you enjoyed it, comment if you enjoyed how the car looks. Let me know what you guys think about how this car looks right now. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, it means a lot. So hopefully you guys enjoy your 4th of July. It's coming up very soon. Hopefully you guys enjoy your day, have a nice cookout with your family, whatever, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.